Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Today we're in the middle of a field. We're going to be cleaning it up. We're going to start off with using our Ibex TS62 flail mower. It's hooked up via 3-point hitch. It has the Y blades that can handle up to a 2-inch sapling. We've got it hooked to a John Deere 303080 compact tractor. Once we're done mowing the field with this Ibex flail mower, we're going to show you the 3-point hitch wood chipper by Ibex and the 3-point hitch dump bucket and how to utilize those around the farm. But today we're going to be mowing down this field in the middle of a city and cleaning it up. I'm here with Jared. We just got done cleaning up the field. Now we're going to use the 3-point hitch Ibex TS4 wood chipper and the TX47 Ibex 3-point hitch dump bucket. That wraps up for today. Thanks for joining us. And yes, it was as fun as it looks. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.